Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that saves your wallet from bad decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing to compare two titans, the Asani Mini 3D printer and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Buckle up because we're about to turn your decision-making process into a hilarious roller coaster ride. First up, let's talk about the setup and ease of use. The Asani Mini is fully assembled right out of the box. It's so easy, even your dog could probably set it up. Just plug it in, and you're ready to print all those useless knickknacks you've been dreaming of. Reviewers love its user-friendly design and quick setup process. Meanwhile, the Ender-3 V3 is also user-friendly with an all-in-one design. But assembling it might feel like solving a Rubik's Cube while blindfolded. However, once you get through the setup, it's smooth sailing with phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB drive options. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and advanced control options, though some mention the initial setup can be a bit tricky. Now onto printing performance. The Asani Mini boasts auto-leveling and a dual Z-axis rail for high-precision prints. It's like having a personal assistant that actually does its job. Plus, with one-touch filament loading, you can switch filaments faster than you can say, "I'm out of coffee." Reviewers commend its precision, reliability, and quiet operation. Creality Ender-3 Volts 3, on the other hand, is no slouch either. It's got a high-configuration Sprite Direct extruder and can handle a variety of filaments, from Hyper-PLA to ABS. Think of it as the multitasking overachiever of the 3D printing world. And the dual fans? They cool your prints faster than an Arctic breeze. Reviewers highlight its speed and accuracy, although some have encountered occasional print failures. Let's not forget features and extras. The Asani Mini comes with a 2.4 inches LCD screen and a flexible magnetic build plate for easy removal. It's like having a luxury car with all the bells and whistles, minus the leather seats. Reviewers love its flexible build plate and user-friendly interface. Creality Ender-3 Volts 3, however, brings some serious game with its CR touch sensor for auto-leveling, power failure recovery, and a filament shift sensor. It's got more backup plans than a paranoid prepper. Plus, Creality offers 12-month and 24-hour after-sales service, so you're never left hanging. Reviewers appreciate these advanced features and the comprehensive support, although some have faced issues with tech support. Reviewers generally find the Asani Mini 3D printer to be an excellent choice for beginners and kids, thanks to its ease of use, compact design, and reliable performance. The Creality Ender-3 V3 receives praise for its speed, versatility, and advanced features, making it a strong contender for more experienced users. However, some reviewers have experienced occasional technical issues with the Ender-3 V3. So there you have it, folks. The Asani Mini is perfect for beginners and kids, with its simplicity and space-saving design. But if you're looking for speed, versatility, and a bit of a challenge, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is your go-to. Which one's your pick? The IKEA-inspired Asani Mini or the Swiss Army knife Creality Ender-3 V3? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hilarious and helpful comparison. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.